Preparation before installation: loosen all fasten wires, and wood blocks. Start the motor grader and reverse out directly. Take out the contents of the container and place it on the flat surface of the workshop. Inventory materials: equipped with one crane with capacity of at least 16 tons. Use the crane to lift the rear of the vehicle at the lifting ring as shown in the figure. Operate the blade and jack up the front part of the whole machine by inserting blade. When lifting, pay attention to prevent the lifting rope from clamping the shield, and it is recommended to use the lifting beam. If the rear ripper is selected, the rear ripper can be operated to jack up the rear of the vehicle by its downward insertion. Remove the steel wheel. Install 6 tires, tighten the tire mounting nut, tightening torque 400-500 Newton-meter. Put down the crane or operate the ripper to make the rear tires of the whole machine fall to the ground. Operate the front bulldozer plate to make the total 6 tires of the whole machine land on the ground completely. Hoisting cab. Install the cab mounting bolts, 3 at the rear and 8 at the front. Connect AC ducts. Connect the male and female sockets. The 3 groups of wiring harness of grader are designed with foolproofing design, which can be matched one by one. Install the cover plate. Install the front blade, optional, hoisting the blade. Connect the blade to cylinder and the bracket by 3 shafts. Install the anti-loose baffle.